This is my Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro, and this is the rear mudguard accessory. It installs here through the rear wheel spindle. I like the idea of having this mudguard because when the wheel drives, it will flick grime, mud, water up back into the underside of the pillion mudguard. So join me in this video as I install this rear mudguard. I will get on to installing the plastic cover to the metal bracket using 4 screws provided. I'll be using my own stainless steel spring washers and flat washers because the supply for the rear mudguard did not provide any. So that goes to there. That's the Allen key screw. I'll put this plastic washer. It's to protect the plastic. So I'll put that there. Then on the inside, I use my own stainless steel flat washer and the supplied nylock nut. Just hand tighten at the moment to hold it in position. Same thing, second screw with the nylon flat washer. It goes on this side. Put my stainless steel flat washer, the nylock nut. The third screw goes into here. Stainless steel washer. The third nylock nut. Fourth screw with the plastic washer goes in here. Stainless steel washer, nylock nut. Now I'll tighten all the 4 screws. I need a 4mm Allen key to hold the head, and then I need a 10mm socket on the inside. That will do. Next screw. Done. Now for the third screw. The good thing about nylock nuts is they should normally not loosen by themselves. Done. All 4 screws are now tightened, so this is what it looks like. To install this rear mudguard bracket to the left hand side, I will need to remove this rear spindle nut and also take this spacer out. It's very tight. Be careful not to round the nut. It is loosening. Excellent. The nut, the washer, and I also need to remove this spacer. It looks like the spacer should just be able to slide out. There. That's the spacer. This locks the adjustment bolt in position. This spacer is what makes the adjustment when the adjustment bolt is shifted in order to push the rear spindle backwards or forward. Looks like this spacer is an aluminium block. Now this spacer on the rear mudguard, I suspect it is steel, not aluminium. Just slip that on there. The size is just nice. It fits exactly snugly to the head of the bolt. So the thickness of that spacer edge to the hole must be the same as this. and that is important. Now that this is in there, that's what this looks like. That's good. Put the washer back in, put the nut, hand tighten the nut. This rear spindle nut needs to be tightened to 110 Newton meters according to the Triumph 900 service manual. So I have here my Warren Brown calibrated torque wrench. I've set the torque to 110 Newton meters, and that's the indicator pressed in. So I now need to torque it to 110 Newton meters. There, the torque indicator has clicked. I'll do it one more time. What's that? So, torque of 110 Newton meters has been achieved on tightening. That's now tight to factory specifications. Excellent. Well, installation of the rear mudguard is completed. Wasn't a difficult job. You just have to have the right tools. I think this will be great. It will stop splashes coming up to the back. I hope you found this interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.